I've been raiding the wee bin again, and I've started to tear down a bit early. Get the rest of that out. We have LED halogens. And getting the faceplate off is really easy, but let's show you them actually doing something. Borrow you. Now these were scrapped for the very simple reason that we have dead LEDs on there. It would help if you could actually see them. You can see which one's blue. Both units have the same problem. There's 3 dead LEDs on it, and yet they are still rather bright and would make a pretty good light. But let's get them out of these cases. So, well, there's only one thing to do. Pull off the broken glass, because that's a very good method of getting them out. And let's get my new screwdriver in there and start cracking these things out of their case and see what makes them tick. A special thanks has to go for the engineering department of throwing these in the skip today. And as we can see, they are pretty easy to remove, and we have an entire driver board. What a surprise. I see one. I'm going to make a guess here before I can even see the part number. That is nothing more than a bridge rectifier. Woo! I'm correct. The resistors just act in resistance, and of course we have a filter capacitor which has some crappy old flux residue left. And these, of course, because they run in 12 volt halogen slots, run on good old 12 volts, and in fact look like they're easily hackable and whatnot. However, these things are supposed to last forever. However, due to cheap electronics, they don't. Some things don't change. We'll have a crack open in the other one as well, so we'll just move broken glass to one side. This is how you open them, by the way. There we go. Completely safe, you know, there's no chance of cutting yourself whatsoever. Crack it open, get the city glue off. Exact same design inside, bridge rectifier to get it to DC, filter cap to take out some of the noise, some random generic Chinese brand by the looks of it. I don't know if you recognise that. Camera, please focus on it. There we go, there's the branding. Fantastic. And of course 25 volt 100 UF, pretty standard, and of course your resistors to protect the LEDs, of course. I shall link these up. In fact, it looks like they used a 3 LED package rather than just a singular. We'll have to hook these up to the thingies. But for now, I'm gonna have to do some getting these out, because I can probably put them into a nice little lighting rig. Make a nice little desk lamp I could power quite easily, and go from there. But yeah, quite a nice find, I think. Not bad. Oh, they're all glowing. Oh, we've got them 3 flashing. We might just be suffering from loose connections. Hang on, if I can hold that on. Oh. We had them all going then. Oh, these things are immensely bright. But interesting nonetheless. So, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Feel free to leave comments and all that goodness, and discuss these things, and perhaps some video responses of teardowns of units you've pulled out your local wee bin or from wherever. Thanks for watching. And for those of you wondering about how I'm going to clean this mess up, well, Anyone wondering that needs to think about their priorities. But anyways,